Welcome back, guys. Back with the 2020 Ram Bighorn, doing the 3.5 rough country level lift. Got the shock out here. It's got the shield out. It's just a half shield on this one. On mine, just a half, not a full shield that goes all the way around. So that was cool. A little less work for me. Got to drop your sway bar links, which is the bolt up here. It's nuts welded on. Pop that guy out of there. Get your shock out. Fortunately for me, this has been done already with the rear shock, so it wasn't really sticky or anything. It came out real easy. And then getting the cross link, your side to side link on this guy. That's got to be dropped out of the way, otherwise it won't drop far enough. And then getting the spring back in here with the puck and the rubber back in there. It's real tight. I mean, even with having anything dropped. But I got my 4-footer out here, so I just put some weight on it, got it dropped enough, shoehorned it in there. It's in there. Just got to button her up on this side. But I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side first, and I'll come back with another short and with the finished video. All right, catch you in a bit.